I'm John Colson. I'm currently acting as principal at the college. My actual role for most of the time that I've been here, which is nearly 20 years, is deputy principal. I have been also a lecturer in biblical studies for all of that time, which is one of my great loves, teaching Old and New Testament.
I'm Grace. I'm here studying the Bachelor of Theology. I'm in my 4th year, but that's because I'm doing it part-time and working as well.
Thinking really about the practical side of training at BST, it's a very important part of what we do. It's not a side issue by any means, because it's really the end result that we're aiming for in all that we do.
So last year was the first Mission Exposure Week I was actually able to attend due to being part-time and working. I'd sort of heard what other people had said about their experiences in the previous years.
I would say that it's one of the most important things that we are doing practically at the college. It also can be a turning point in the life of a student. I can think of a number of students who through their ministry, their mission week, something happened in their thinking as they were praying, or talking with a faculty member or somebody else, which actually led them onto the path that they went to post-college.
I'm really looking forward to the Mission Exposure Week this year because I'll be going down to Oberon and getting a feel for what rural ministry might be like. What's the point in being here if you can't then take that and share it with other people?
Well, we're very committed to practical learning at the college. If you believe that God is leading you to prepare yourself further for ministry, we would love to meet you and be part of your journey.